if you open this door, you can see the beautiful view of the river. This is really, really nice. Hello everyone, now we are going towards Relling Rangit River Resort. As you can see over there, that river. View of Pahad.
Hello everyone, and this is me Udayan Yonzan from Bijanbari. Right now vlogger himself Darshan is here with us at Bijanbari, and we are heading towards the resort. What weather it's too sunny.
River behind, the little Rangit River over there, and you can see the view from here. And the road here in Bijanbari is very steep, like you have to climb up to the hills. Now we are going down to the valley for the resort, and the view from here is like this. It's very beautiful. As you can see, the houses in hilly areas, most of the houses are like this. And today the weather is very sunny. I think now you guys are able to hear the sound of the river, the little Rangit River. It's just behind me, you can see. So we are going towards that river, and we'll just explore the resort, and there is one big swimming pool over there, and we'll just enjoy and have fun. Here's my cousin, here's my brother, and
well, I'm meeting him after 5 years, and I'm feeling very happy towards R4 Relling Rangit River Resort. I think today it will be a memorable day for us, and we will treasure that moment.
we have just reached little Rangit. Now me and my bro SIdhanth, हम लोग अभी साथ में जा रहे हैं स्विमिंग पूल की तरफ.
मौसम भी ठीक है, वैसे भी हम लोग का वो थोड़ा स्विमिंग पूल की तरफ चल रहा है. अभी हम लोग आपको वहाँ पर भी व्यू दिखाएंगे थोड़ा.
तो यहाँ का रूम का चार्जेस है 1500 पर नाइट, एंड उसके साथ आप लोगों को डिनर, लंच और टी, एवरीथिंग इज़ अवेलेबल हियर. अगर आपने रूम बुक किया है तो स्विमिंग पूल के लिए आप लोगों के लिए फ्री होगा. अगर आप लोगों ने रूम बुक नहीं किया तो फिर स्विमिंग पूल के लिए 100 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा आप लोगों को पे करना पड़ेगा. ये सामने है स्विमिंग पूल, और वेदर भी काफ़ी आज गर्मी है यहाँ पर. आप देख सकते हैं पसीना आ रहा है मेरा. और ये जो स्विमिंग पूल में पानी है, ये भी डायरेक्ट जो रिवर मैंने दिखाया लिटिल रंगित रिवर, वही रिवर का पानी है ये. इट्स फ्रेश एंड क्लीन. द लोकेशन इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड यू कैन एंजॉय. Brother-in-law, my Bena, if you want to book a room or if you want to enjoy in the swimming pool or food, anything, you can just contact him. His name is Kishor Chhetri, and he is my brother-in-law. Give his contact number in the description. You can just contact him. I'll just try to swim. I don't know swimming. I know a little bit, but I don't know. Big support.
Darshan. बसिराख्छु म त्यसै दिन बसिराख्छु ल आउँदैन नि मेटी भ्याइ
खेला न त
ए आउनु खेलेको यति हो मेरो
नआउने
डुब्दैन नि यो हालेर हिँडिरहेछ त
तल अम्बै
खुट्टा पेर्छ त भान्जी यस्तो यस्तो नि खुट्टा पो त हल्लो त खुट्टा पेर्छ त उता भन न उता देख्छ उता उता
त हान्नु त
के
अलिक पर न ट्युबमा खेला नि तिमीहरू यो भिडियो हुँदैछ ड्राईको चस्मा खै अहिलेको कालो चस्मा ड्राई कालो चस्मा खै अहिलेको
ए त्यो त भित्र
feeling tired. This place is really cool and it's very awesome. You guys must visit this place. It's in Bijanbari, Little Rangit. We have enjoyed the swimming pool and it's already 2:15, so now we are going to have a lunch. So it was a nice swimming pool, we enjoyed a lot and we had fun today. So now we are going towards the resort. Over there is a white horse. Her name is Basanti and we have many turkeys over here. This is the restaurant and you can order the food and food items, you can order everything, and we have rooms over there. Let's check the room and check what are the facilities you can get over here. So just come with me. This is the room. You can see inside it's very neat and clean, and this is the bed, which is a very thick mattress over here, and the blankets, because in the night time the weather will be very cold and in the day it's very sunny and it will be very hot and warm. You have a cupboard over here, clothes and everything. You can keep your stuffs over here, and you have a television. We have a 2 sofa and a big mirror over here, and you have a curtains. And beyond this curtain, you have a very beautiful sink. And we have beyond this curtains, you have a beautiful sink over there. And just beside this, there is a Little Rangit River washroom. It's very neat and clean. And the water is like 24 hours you will get water. There is no problem of water because the river is just nearby. And yeah, this is worth it. And the room rent is like 1500 per room. 1500 per room. So as you can see behind, this is a wood house. It's made up of all pine. The house we saw there, that was made up of cement and bricks like normal houses, but this is like natural, made up of wood and like pine trees. So let's go inside and explore the room. As you can see, this is all made up of pines and it's natural wood. Wow, it's really amazing of like natural wood. And this is also made up of bamboos, all the doors and everything. And you can see the ventilation over there. This is also made up of bamboos. And the bed as well. You can see this bed is also made up of natural like wood. This is totally made up of bamboo. You have a cupboard here. And this is a washroom over here, which is very used and big, and it's very comfortable. And here is a big mirror. And if you open this door, you can see the beautiful view of the river. This is really nice. I think this is the best place to stay in Bijanbari or in Darjeeling. If you are here in Darjeeling, then you guys should really visit. You guys must visit this place and enjoy the beautiful view of Little Rangit River. I'll show you the closer view of the river. The river which you are seeing, beautiful river which you are seeing behind, this is the Rangit River, and this is a very pure and clean river, and water is very cold. And Rangit River, so you can just come to the river and enjoy. बहुत ही शानदार जगह है. It's an amazing place. I am enjoying a lot. You can see the view. So in this resort you have a restaurant where you can enjoy the food and the local dishes.
Hope you all enjoyed the video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and नीचे कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा. तब तक के लिए live your life, live a dream. Boom.